So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 3mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn you wish, cotton yarn or acrylic. We'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 10. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. I will repeat the same for a total of 11 rows. I have already done another piece here, so I'm done with 11 rows, and now what I'm gonna do is chain 2, double crochet in every stitch. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna single crochet around the whole piece. So, single crochet in every stitch or per chain 1 space. And slip stitch and fasten off. And now I'm gonna work the button. For the button I'm gonna use a smaller crochet hook. In the written pattern I have used 2mm crochet hook. If it's too small, then you can use 3mm crochet hook. I'm gonna chain 2, one and 2, 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So working in spiral, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in every stitch, total of 12. So 1 single crochet, so using a sewing needle or tapestry needle, I'm gonna stitch the button in the piece. So on the sides where we started the single crochet, I'm gonna this side from the upper side, I'm gonna insert the needle and bring the button up like this. I'm gonna stitch everything. Just going around. And then I'm gonna fasten off here. Insert the needle in the point and cut my thread. And the piece is finished. Now the button will be inserted in the double crochet side, like so. Okay. Good, it is tight and it's done. This is the cable organizer, simple and easy to make. Hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.